Class, today I am going to start types of matrix, operation on matrix. Okay. So first of all, you have to know what is matrix. Matrix is nothing but the arrangement of numbers in rows and columns. Okay. Suppose that you have 2, 8, 5, 6, 7, 5, 2, 1, 8. So this is matrix. See what we have done. We are just arranging the numbers in according to rows and columns. Each number is called element. Okay, and how many rows? Rows is this one, horizontal one, this one, and this one. These 3 rows. Okay, how many rows we have? 3 rows. Okay, and what is column? Column is this 2, 8, 1, 6, 7. Column is this. This one is known as a column. So horizontal one rows and vertical one columns. Now what is square matrix and rectangular matrix? Okay, now rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix are those matrices in which number of rows and number of columns will not be the same. 2, 8, 5, 1, 6, 7. Now see this question. How many rows we have? 1, 2. So 2 rows. And how many columns we have? 3 columns. 3 columns. Now what is this? This is the order of a matrix. Okay, what? Order of a matrix. We have 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, how we will read? 2 by 3, not 2 into 3. 2 by 3 means 2 rows and 3 columns. And since number of rows and number of columns are not equal, that is why it is known as a rectangular matrix. Now what is a square matrix? Square matrix. Square matrix are those matrices in which number of rows and number of columns will be same. See this one. How many rows? 1, 2, and how many columns? 1, 2. So 2 by 2 is number of rows and number of columns both are same. This is known as a square matrix. Okay. Now one by one please write. Okay. If you don't know, please write it. If you want to study from a book, open matrix chapter, you will get all this in summary also. Now row matrix. Now what is row matrix? When we have only one row, 1, 2, 3. See how one row we have, but how many columns we have? 3 columns. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. But when we have one row, this is known as a row matrix. And same as column matrix. When we have only one column, 1, 2, 3. See how many columns we have? One column, but we have 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. Okay, so this is known as a column matrix. Now diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix? Diagonal matrix is that matrix in which only element is present in the diagonally. Means 1, 2, 3. And other elements will be 0. Can you see this one? In diagonally we have elements 1, 2, 3, but other we have 0. This is known as a diagonal matrix. Okay. Now identity matrix. Identity means identity matrix. Now what is identity matrix or unit matrix also? Okay. Identity matrix are those matrices in which in diagonal we have 1 only and all the things will be 0. Diagonally we have 1 and all the things will be 0. This one is also. See, diagonally we have 1. Only 1 in identity matrix, only 1. But in diagonal matrix, any number will be there. Okay. Now, upper triangular matrix. What is upper triangular matrix? Can you see? Only these three elements will be 0 and all the elements have value. Okay, so this is known as a upper triangular matrix in which only these three elements will be 0 and all the element we have some numbers in that place. Okay, now opposite to it. Suppose that we have 2, 3, 4 here and here we have 0, means up we have 0, 3 elements will be 0. At that time it is known as a lower matrix, triangular matrix. Okay, lower triangular matrix. Okay, now what is triangular matrix? See, in upper triangular matrix this 3 will be 0 and in lower triangular matrix this 3 will be 0. In upper triangular matrix only this diagonal will be 0 and all have some elements. Okay, okay, this is known as a triangular matrix. Okay, copy all these or you can learn from summary also. Now class, operations on matrix. Three type of operation we can do on matrix: scalar multiplication, addition and subtraction, and multiplication. Okay, so first I will tell you about these two because we will do sums related to this one only, and in the last I will tell this one. Okay, so now what is scalar matrix multiplication? Scalar multiplication is that multiplication in which we have something outside of a matrix. See, I have outside 4 and 2, 8, 1, 6 are inside, and these 4 will multiply with all the elements of a matrix. Okay, means 4 2s are 8, 4 8s are 32, 4 1s are 4, 4 6s are 24. Okay, so this is scalar multiplication. Okay, now I will tell you addition and subtraction. For addition and subtraction there is two conditions. First is elements will be same, means if you have 4 elements, see 1 2 3 4 in the and matrix name is A, so we have same number of elements in other one also. Okay, then you will be able to add or subtract. But if you have suppose that we have one more 8 5, we will not be able to add and subtract, not possible. But if we have same, we can do this one. Okay, now how we will add A plus B? A plus B you will write. Now see, first element with first element means 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Second element with this one, 4 plus 6, 5 plus 8, 5 plus 8, 4 plus 9, 4 plus 9. Okay, now what will be the answer? 2 plus 1, 3, 4 plus 6, 10, 8 plus 5, 13, 9 plus 4, 13. So this is the condition for addition. Same we will do in subtraction also. Only we will give minus sign. Okay? Understood this one? Okay. Now I am going to do sums one by one. Okay? Now open your book, types of matrix. Okay? And come to question number, very short answer type question number 1 4. Very short type question number 1 4. Okay? So what is the question given to you in question number 1? Please copy this one. In first question it is given, if A equals to, very short type question, very short question, okay? One number. A value is given, how much? 2 minus 3, 0, 1 minus 2, one matrix is given, 2, it's better I will use 2 minus 3, 0, 1, minus 1, 4. Then B value is given. B value is minus 1, 5, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3, 0, 1. And C value is also given. are given to you. Now in question number 4 number, they are telling find the matrices A plus 4B minus 3C. A plus 4B minus 3C, they are telling you to find out. Okay, how you will find? First you will put the value of A, B and C. What is the value of A, B and C? A value is 2 minus 3, 0, 1, minus 1, 4. Then plus sign. Then you will write 4 outside. B value, B matrix is minus 1, 5, 2 minus 3, 0, 1. Then minus 3 you will write, in place of C you will write that matrix 4 minus 2, 0 minus 1, 3, 5. Okay. Now you have to add and subtract, but before that you have to use scalar multiplication one. Means this 4 will multiply with all. I am rubbing the first question. Because we have done, we have put the value over here. Now this one you will write as it is 2 minus 3, 0, 1 minus 1, 4 plus 4 minus 4 into 1 minus 4, 4 into 5, 20, 4 into 2, 8, 4 into minus 3, minus 12, 4 into 0, 0, 4 into 1, 4. Then minus 3 will multiply, 3 4s are 12, 3 minus 2, minus 6, 3 into 0, 0, 3 into minus 3, 3, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 5, 15. Okay? What? I am writing this question. Okay? After that, addition and subtraction. You will make one matrix, and how you will add first element with first element with first element. Okay? So first you have your 2, then plus minus minus, so minus 4 you will write, minus plus minus, minus 12. Okay? So whatever you are doing in first element you will write first. Okay? Then second one, minus 3, just leave some space here, then write minus 3, then plus 20, minus minus, this minus and plus 6. Okay? Now see, 0 plus 8 minus 0, 1, this one, plus minus minus 12, minus minus plus 3, then minus 1, plus 0, minus 9, 4 here, plus 4, then minus 15. Okay, I am solving here. Okay, this one I am solving here. How much you will get? Minus minus plus means 12 plus 4, 13, 14, 15, 16 minus 2. How much? Minus 14. Like this you will write, when you will write the answer, you will get something like this. Minus 14, then 23, then 8, then minus 8, then minus 10 and minus 7. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, copy this one. Now class, very short question number 4, 3, find x and y. Means you have to find the value of x and y if 2, 1, 3, 0, x plus this matrix equals to this matrix. So first what you will do, you will use scalar multiplication. In scalar multiplication, this 2 will multiply with all 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into x, 2x. Okay, then plus sign. Here no scalar multiplication, so we will write as it is and this one also as it is. Okay, now we have to add this matrix with this matrix. How we will do? First element with first element means 2 plus y. First element is 2, here y, so 2 plus y. Then 6 plus 0, then 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, see third element 0 plus 1, and then 2x plus 2, 2x plus 2, okay, and this one, understood? Now you can see here, if in the first one it is 2 plus y and here it is 5, means in matrix it is allowed that you can equalize first element with first element. That is why I have done 2 plus y equals to 5, means equalizing first element with first. 2 plus y equals to 5. Now this plus 2 will go, it will become minus 2, is y equals to 3, okay. Now you can see second element here 6 plus 0, when you will add how much you will get 6, and here also 6, same thing, okay. No need to do anything because we have to find only x and y, we got y value already. Now we have to concentrate on x. Here 0 plus 1, 1, and here also third element 1, same thing. Now here you can see in the fourth element it is 2x plus 2, and here it is 8. So we can equalize this one with this one. So 2x plus 2 equals to 8, 2x plus 2 equals to 8, plus 2 will come minus 2, this 2, 8 minus 2, 6, this 2 will come now, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, x value 3, means x value we are getting 3 and y value we are getting 3, same. Now class, I am doing short answer, find x, y, z and d. You have to find value of x, y, z and d. Okay, so what you will do, first you will write the question and these 3 will multiply with all 3 into x, 3x, 3 into y, 3y, 3 into z, 3z, 3 into t, 3t. Now this one will add with this one, so first element with first element means x plus 4, x plus 4, then 6 plus x plus y, 6 plus x plus y, then minus 1 plus z plus t, minus 1 plus z plus t, then 2t plus 3, 2t plus 3. Now what you can do, you can equalize this one with this. So I am equalizing here, 3x equals to x plus 4. Now x will come, 3x minus x, 2x equals to 4, x value you will get 2. Now here first element, second element with second element, this one with this one. 3y equals to 6 plus x plus y. Now this plus y, we can put x value we got here 2, so x equals to 2 we can put, and plus y, this plus y can come, it will become minus y, 6 plus 2 will give you 8, and y 2y equals to 8 and y value will get 4, okay. Now in the third one, third element 3z and here minus 1 plus z plus t, 3z equals to minus 1 plus z plus t. So 3z I will write, plus z I will take this side, it will become minus z, minus 1 plus t. So 3z minus z, 2z minus 1 plus t. Now we don't know what is the value of t. First we have to find the value of t. How will we find the value of t? From fourth element. 3t equals to 2t plus 3. 3t equals to 2t plus 3. So 3t, what will happen? 2t will come, it will become t only, and t value we are getting 3. Okay. Now this 3 value I am putting in place of t. So minus 1 plus 3 will give you 2, and 2 ones are will cancel, z value 1. Like this we are getting value of x, y, z and t. Copy this one. Class, now see what is transpose matrix. Okay, transpose matrix is nothing but means what we do in transpose matrix, we make row to column, we change row, all the rows to column and columns, okay, like this. How? See, suppose that A equals to this 1 2 3, this is the matrix, okay. Now transpose matrix is denoted by A small t, A bar, A t, okay, A dash and A t. Now what will happen if I want to change this matrix to transpose matrix? What I will do, first row is this 1 2 3, this row will become column, it will become 1 2 3, okay. Means what I am doing, I am just, this horizontal one is I am making vertical. Now second row is 5 6 8, it will become 5 6 8. Now 9 4 5, this row will become 9 4 5, okay. So what I have done, you are understanding? First row will become first column, second row will become second column, and third row will become third column. This is nothing but transpose matrix, okay. Now come to sums number, very short answer, question number 5 1. Question number 5 1, okay. We will do question number 5 1. Now press 12. 5 1, very short answer 5 1. If A equals to this, B equals to this, prove that Question number A plus B transpose, full transpose, okay, equals to A transpose plus B transpose. First I am doing LHS. In LHS what is given? A plus B transpose, full transpose. So what is the value of A means what is the matrix for A? 2 0 minus 5 minus 3 4 7. 2 0 minus 5 minus 3 4 7. I have written B is 3 1 minus 1 4 5 0, 3 1 minus 1 4 5 0. Okay. Now can you see this? We have to add this first. You can full transpose we have to give. Why? Because it is full transpose. A plus B then full transpose. So first I am writing A then B and then I am giving full transpose. Okay. Then you have to add first 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, minus 5 plus minus 1. So plus minus will become minus. I am writing minus. Minus 3 plus 4, minus 3 plus 4. Then 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5. Then 7 plus 0, 7 plus 0. 2 plus 3 5, 0 plus 1 1, minus 5 minus 6 will give minus 5 minus 1 will give you minus 6, minus 3 plus 4 will give you 1, 4 plus 5 will give you 9, 7 plus 0 will give you 7. Now see, in each and every step I am giving transpose sign. Now this transpose sign we have to convert this into transpose 1 means this row will become column. 5 1 minus 6 will become 5 1 minus 6 column. Then second row 1 9 7 will become a column 1 9 7. So in LHS I am getting this type of matrix. Now I will solve RHS. So for RHS, I have to write RHS. For RHS, what is given to you? A dash plus B dash. Now A dash means A transpose. First you have to make this one as a transpose. So if you want to make, what will happen? 2 0 minus 5, you have to write 2 0 minus 5. Then minus 3 4 7 minus 3 4 7. Okay. Then plus sign B transpose. B transpose means 3 1 minus 1, 3 1 minus 1, 4 5 0, 4 5 0. Means nothing. First I am converting the given matrix A and B into transpose matrix. Why? Because first sign is given to convert it into transpose. Now we will add 2 plus 3, 5. Okay, one by one I am showing you. Minus 3 plus 4, minus 3 plus 4. 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1. 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5. Minus 5 minus 1, minus 5 minus 1. 7 plus 0 plus 0. Okay. See what I am getting. I will write C. 5 4 1 again 1 9 7 and here minus 6. See, I am getting LHS RHS same. So what I will write? LHS equals to RHS. Okay. Write this one, complete this one. Now class 12, you can see properties of transport. There are 4 properties. A transport, then again transport. If you will do, then you will get the same matrix which you got as a question. Okay, means if you will do 2 times transport of same matrix, you will get the same thing written in the question. Means A matrix only. Now A plus B whole transport equals to A transpose plus B transpose. It means that first you will add then do transport, or first you will transpose and then add, you will get the same thing. Same with minus also, A minus B whole transpose equals to A transpose minus B transpose. Means first you will subtract then do transpose, you will get the same thing, or you can first transpose this one and you will subtract, you will get the same thing. AB whole transpose means AB means multiplication between A and B. We will do, after this we will do the multiplication one. First we will multiply and do transport, or we will first transport this one and then multiply, we will get the same thing. So this is the property of what? Which type of transpose? Which type of matrix? Transpose matrix. Okay. Now I am telling you 2 or more things. What is null matrix? Null matrix are those matrices in which all elements will be 0. Means 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Means all elements will be 0. That is known as a null matrix. Equality matrix is those matrices in which all elements will be equal. Equality matrix. Okay, in equality matrix all elements will be equal. Okay, so this is up to here. Okay, in the next one I am going to do multiplication. Okay, multiplication on matrix. Copy this one.